Whoa.
Welcome to Learning Lee.
Hello. You want to tell them what we're doing today?
We're doing
Magnet painting. Wow.
How do I get it all?
So first what I want you to do, is dip your metal pieces in the paint and then put them all over the cardboard. We'll just like set it down on there and then get another one. There you go. Dip it in the paint and then set it on the cardboard. Okay, lift it up. There you go. Are they moving around in the paint? Here, Mommy, hold it.
I can make a person out of this.
You're gonna make a person out of it? Wow.
Two legs.
It's okay. I love that. Can you do it on the top of it now?
Ooh, yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Look. There. Where's my painting? I need to put this
You can just set it in there.
in.
Very cool.
Splat.
All right. Can you hold up your painting so I can see it?
I don't want that.
I love that. It's so pretty. And you made it with magnetic force. All right. Thank you guys for joining us.
I'm gonna put a paint on Mommy's.
Yeah.